Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a quick swatch video for you on some of the MoonShine Mani new releases. Phoebe from MoonShine Mani releases new polishes twice a month, and today I am bringing you her Facebook group exclusive and also one of her nail polishes that is part of the MoonShine Mani Comeback Collection. As you may know, Phoebe lost some of her data last year and she is recreating some of her polishes in a 2.0 formula. So they are pretty much the same as the original one, but because she doesn't have the recipe, she can't recreate them exactly. So thank you so much, Phoebe, for sending me everything, and today I will show you live swatches of all of these polishes. Plus she also has a new top coat and she sent me one of the scents. This one is called Runaway, and oh my gosh guys, I want to eat my fingers after I've applied this top coat on my nails. It reminds me of one of the drinks from back home, but it really is a deliciously smelling sweet top coat, and I think I may need a backup. Compared to her previous top coats, I think they're pretty much the same, but the application on this one with the scented version seems to be just a little bit more smoother and glossier, but you will see it in my live application portion of the video. I will link for you everything in the description box, of course, and these polishes are releasing on June 26th. Some of them are limited edition, but for the most part both the top coat and the MoonShine Mani Comeback should be unlimited. Only the Facebook group polish is available for a certain amount of time, and you will also have to be part of the MoonShine Mani Facebook group to get your discount code to be able to purchase it. Anyways, everything will be in the description box, but if you do enjoy these videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. Now I will jump into the swatch portion and just keep watching. Thank you so much guys for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.